Hi guys, today we talk about how can you add your gender on your Goodreads app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click here on more down here. So then it's going to show for your list like this. Then all you have to do, just click here on settings. So then you come to this list here, just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do now, you just click here on profile. So then it's going to take you to next step here, then you just come to gender here. So then you just click here on edit, then you come to this list, then you click here on edit here, then here you just click in this sign, then here can you add your gender here. I'm going to add my gender, then you just click on save here. So then it's going to save with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.